Hello everyone, Wandering Trader over here, your one take, low production digital trading nomad. So today I am updating you on my dividend income progress. Um, so far I haven't, I'm going to be doing the FIRE content every month, once a month, because it's not really that eventful. So I'm just gonna briefly, I haven't done this for a couple months already, but I wanted to bring you up to speed. I started this with $50 and I am slowly, as you could see, every week I am staying consistent. I am depositing $50 as I said, and I am investing it in dividend stocks. So based off of last week, I deposited 50. As you could see, I am staying consistent. Week before, 50, 50, 50, and you can see that I am going in. I have indicated that I am targeting high dividend yields and income tickers. So I am going with energy and consumer defensive sectors. So this is going to be something that's going to also be somewhat of an emergency fund in the event I need the money. But so far, I have an MREIT. It's not doing so well at the moment, based off of the last quarter. The last earning call, they indicated that they're slowing down, their revenue slowing down, whatnot. I have tobacco, British American tobacco. It's holding pretty steady. So we overall P&L compared to the S&P 500, I believe. Yep. S&P 500, let's compare it to NASDAQ, compare Dow Jones, so it's pretty decent. Let's go into, I've also wanted to bring this up. I found this in my FIRE community on Facebook, and I thought I'd share this with you guys. Advice, please. Right now, I make 30K, and in my early 30s. My savings amount is a little over 220. I have 150 in stocks, mutual funds, like BTSAX, and the Fidelity's fund, etc. 20K in 401ks, and 50 in Fundrise, which I'm trying to get out of. 20 is in my savings and CDs. The reason my salary is so low is because I have autism with moderate support needs, level 2/3, and ADHD. I've been working for 20 years, part-time for the first 10, and then full-time. I'm trying to get a better job, but it's hard AF. I rent the room from my friend for $300 because he's on rent control. But my main cost otherwise consists of public transportation, which is around $100 a month. The reason I don't live with my mom is because she lives too far from my job. Right now, I pay $50 for my phone, but I'm trying to get rid of my SIM card so I can save money. $200 a month goes to my parents who are old. My brother gives more. Right now, I'm studying for a certification in my union, but I have no idea if I'll make more. I want to do a side hustle and increase my working hours to 80 per week to increase my salary to 50K. What are your tips? So I wanted to bring that up because I was so inspired with the amount of hours that he was willing to put in, and as you saw across his funds and different accounts, it was all funded, and it was quite inspirational. I thought I'd bring that up. Because he's also a part of the FIRE community in our community. So let's take a look at what I have going on here. So I wanted to review my dividends. I have British American Tobacco. They are right now at 0.74 cents. So I added all of these indicate moving averages: 365, 175, 200. 225, 300, 275. So I am trying to get into this company under the average. I believe the average, I'm not sure if they have it here, is 38. Excuse me. Yeah, around 38. So anything under 38, I'm gonna get. If it's under 37, I am definitely also going in. So I am setting up my parameters. I'm setting up my entry price, where I feel comfortable, where I will get the maximum value long term. In the last year, let's see, take a look. 37, moving out 37, 365, 138, whatnot. So I am trying to get in under 38. For regarding my other position, Invesco, which has more or less tanked, but let's take a look in the last. Let's go take a look year to date. Year to date, it has been doing all right, but like I said, after the earnings call, let's see, let's do 3 months ago, it basically tanked. So, but my Invesco play is actually, considering it's an M-REIT, it gets taxed differently. So I'm trying to swing this for like about a year. My time horizon for my Invesco would be anywhere from 3 to 5 years. So let's set up the time horizons. My British American Tobacco time horizon is actually till retirement. So I'm gonna be holding this probably forever. So it's always crucial to get in at the best price, or when market condition is when it's actually really red. I've set up my watch list of tickers. I was also looking at some energy, Sunoco, but I found out that it was like one of these master limited partnership. It's structured very differently, so the tax burden is different. So this is key. This is actually crucial information to find out how what you invest in is structured. So M-REITs, a REIT, Coca-Cola would be corporation, and then MLP. So PR, just be mindful of these type of structures, because you don't want to be caught off guard when you have to file your taxes. So this is what I have more or less up. And so far the market, there has been market conditions. The theme of last week was basically Fed meetings and economic slowdown, and also we are winding down from summer. So summer is coming to an end, and fall is about to be here. So we're transitioning, and that is also a key moment. So there's going to be a lot of surprises and a lot of confusion regarding Delta, the variants. You know what I mean, and also lockdowns, no lockdowns, booster and whatnot. And so as we transition, and also the coming down of demand with consumer cyclical and the spook of inflation. So there's a lot of themes going on. It's a whole concoction, but our time horizons are set. Our income dividends are set long term. Some of them will be 1 to 2 years. Some of our dividends will be 2 to 5 years, which is a swing, which we're getting in at really deep value. It's so the cyclicality of it. You have to be aware of the boom and the bust. So we're getting at the bottom. Once it rises to the top, we're trimming it and we're putting it back into our long-term stock. And then you have to categorize a 5 to 10 year. You have your 5 to 10 year time horizons, companies that you want to invest in. So these are we're just being mindful. We're being aware of what we're trying to do, what we're trying to accomplish. We're gatekeeping and we're basically establishing parameters and how we're trying to conduct ourselves. So this is my income, and this is what I am going to try to build out. So thank you again for tuning in. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. If you like my trading content, you could check out my other videos. I'm trying to do a $1 million challenge, and you could check that out, though that is going to be very different from my FIRE content and my long-term dividend stuff. So thank you again for tuning in, and take care of yourself and stay safe out there.